What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use Google Slides on your iPhone with all of the fully functional capabilities that you would have on desktop. Now obviously it's going to be a bit of a smaller screen and a little bit harder to navigate as well because you are on a smaller screen and they do have to condense some of the features, but you should be able to have whatever you need and whatever you are looking for to be able to access Google Slides on the go. And there's actually a separate app that you need to download in order to use Google Slides. You may have downloaded the Google Drive app before and found out that it doesn't function very well on that app, but if you download the specific Google Slides app, it's going to be a lot easier on your life. So I'm just launching the App Store here. Just going to go ahead to the search menu there, and what you're going to want to search in that text bar up top is Google Slides, and it should be the first one that pops up there. So upon searching it, there is an ad I got, but just look past that. And this is what you're looking for here, the second one down, or it should be the first one down, but it's just titled Google Slides, and it's got the little slide icon as the logo. That's how you'll know. You could also scroll down and see the previews and know that this is exactly what you were looking for. So it's going to take a quick second to download here. Shouldn't really take more than a minute, and then we could get inside of the app. And there it is, it's already downloaded. You could go ahead and click that open button. Should be on your home screen now, ready to launch in. And you could see just from the main menu here that this is exactly what you were looking for. And you could then sign in and access any of your slides and customize them the exact way that you would want to. Now, I'm not going to make an in-depth video here of everything that you needed to know about Google Slides and going in-depth with that. I might break it up into some smaller tutorial videos. So if you do want that, let me know. But you should be good from here as far as your slides go and editing them. If you did have any questions or were confused at all on how to use this, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.